want to climb Mount Everest? But that's the highest mountain in the world. What is a landform? A landform is a natural formation or area of land. There are many different landforms all over the planet. Well, a continent is one kind of landform. Earth's land is divided into 7 continents: North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, Australia, and Antarctica. There are different landforms all over the continents. There are even landforms right in your neighborhood. What are raised areas of land? A hill is a landform that rises up and has a rounded top. The steep ones are fun to ride down. Be careful, Moby. A mountain is a landform that rises high above the area around it and has a peak at the top. A row of connected mountains is called a range. The Andes mountain range is the longest in the world. It goes through 7 countries. A plateau also rises above an area like a mountain, but a plateau has a flat surface on top. What are lower areas of land? A valley is a landform that is lower than the area around it. You can find valleys between hills, mountains, and plateaus. Water from higher areas can flow down into the valleys to form rivers and streams. Rivers and rich soil make valleys good for farming. A canyon is a deep valley with very steep sides. It's formed when a river wears away at rock for millions of years. What are flat areas of land? Plains are wide, flat lands. Many plains have rich soil, so they're good for agriculture. The Great Plains covers part of the United States and Canada. Many areas of the Great Plains are covered by prairie. A prairie is a grassy plain that has few or no trees. Other plains are covered by forests. There are even plains on the ocean floor. What are landforms near water? A coast is an area where land meets the ocean. Some coasts are rocky, and others are sandy with beaches. Over thousands of years, water can wear away at coasts to form bays. A bay is an area of water that has land on 3 sides. The water in a bay is usually pretty calm. An island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. The Caribbean has over 7,000 islands. A peninsula is an area of land that has water on 3 sides. The state of Florida is a really big peninsula. You reached the top of Mount Everest? That's impossible. It takes weeks. Hey! Whoa!